Hi, you guys. Welcome back to Shanique's Life Lens. I actually remembered to introduce myself this time. All I wanted to do was hop on here and show you guys how I plan to basically take this bag from plain to a junk bag. Apparently we are putting charms on everything. Yes, our shoes, our clothes, our bags, but apparently we're also junking them up by putting excessive amounts of patches and things. So I thought, you know what, this bag was on sale at Fashion Nova. It was actually a part of my denim haul and I saved it, and I thought, you know what, it's cute. I plan to use it, but I do want to jazz it up a little bit. I already have this Tamagotchi charm, and I also have this Lilo and Stitch charm. The bag unto itself I think is so cute. I'm going to show you guys some of the patches that I own. I've kind of collected them over the years. I have put patches on clothes, jackets, and things like that, but I feel like this is the perfect project to put my patches on. So anywho, I hope you enjoy this. I'm literally gonna iron them on with my 13 plus years or more older iron. I wish you could see the iron. Good and burnt. But gonna iron these on basically, and yes, I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Okay, so here's some of the patches that I have. I love these Valentine's Day kind of themed hearts. The Text Me, the Be Mine. I'm already leaning towards these. I mean, I think that's the route I'm gonna go. I love my lazy pandas. I think those are so cute. I have a bunch of miscellaneous patches, like Hold On, Let Me Overthink This, but I'm working on that. Of course, the Fresh Prince of Bel-Air, if you know, you know. 90s baby here, or well, maybe 80s baby, raised in the 90s. I have this kind of miscellaneous, these original patches. I am a rose lover. I mean, obviously love the red, but I don't think I want to go with this. Like I said, as long as I keep that Tamagotchi on there, probably gonna lean toward the pink. And then I also have these crosses. So I may, if I do use any of them, I'll probably go with the pink. I don't think I want anything too dark right now, like the black and the red, or just the red. Here's a blue one, so I may lean towards that, but I'm kind of undecided. Like I said, I love my lazy pandas. I'll probably keep the verbiage here. If this isn't doing too much, I might throw that on there, but gosh, I'm undecided. Okay, so also I have a handful of pins as well. I've got my Princess Tiana. These are cool because they're interchangeable. You don't have to use them with this particular bag. I have my Not in the Mood, Approach with Caution. I promise I'm super nice. I must have been in a mood when I ordered these. And then also I have this little pin, if I can get it situated. I have this little pin that has my name on it, Shanique, if you can see that clearly. And what else do I have in here? I have Jesus Heals. That's a little band-aid. I hope they focus well enough. Of course, I'm Texas born and raised, so got to have, this is my cowgirl. I have this one that says yeehaw. Okay, so I think I've decided, and I know it looks like a lot, I'm not 100% committed. I'm somewhat torn between the color of these. Like I said, I really kind of want to stick to a pink and blue, but I don't know how I feel about this blue yet, and I'm starting to wonder if it will even take to this denim. I don't think I like that blue, the contrast. I may end up doing, it's good that I'm putting this up against the color. Oh, do I like that? Okay, I might end up going with my hearts. I gotta have one of my lazy pandas. Definitely gonna have my name. Southwest inspired. Yeah, I think I'm leaning towards these. So the iron's getting hot. Okay, now why didn't that take? I think I was being too impatient. Let's try this again. The only thing about these bags is they don't conform. They're not super smooth when it comes to trying to iron something. Look at this pillowcase. I have lost many a pillowcase to my iron-on projects. Where'd you go? Oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like I'm rising. With you tonight is on a island. It's about time for waking up. Found you wasn't with me waking up. Now you said I didn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just in love with you. So I come close, won't you? Won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've had it like on take you there, take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've had it like on take you there, take you there, take you there. Won't you? Fill me up till my cup's overflowing. I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby, it's about time we're making up time. The time you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. Okay, after this, I'm gonna use my cotton pillowcase because this polyester could never. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby. Say our time, we're making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss you touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So come console you, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it is worth? We ain't having a nice time. Show you something, give you more than words. We ain't having this place on please be don't just be nothing, give me that. I want you to give it to me, yeah. Please be don't just be nothing, give me that. I want you to give it to me, yeah. Please be don't just be nothing, give me that. I want you to give it to me, yeah. Please be don't just be nothing, give me that. I want you to give it to me, yeah. Where'd you go? Oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like the rising. With you tonight is on an island. Yeah. It's about time for making up. Times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So come close, won't you? Won't you? Can I tell you something for what it is worth? We ain't having it like on take you there, take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We ain't having this place on take you there, take you there, won't you? Fill me up till my cup's overflowing. I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby. Say our time, we're making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss you touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So come console you, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it is worth? We ain't having it like take you there, show you something, give you more than words. We ain't having it. Okay, you know what? For some reason, it doesn't want to stick. And I burnt it. Fill me up till my cup's overflowing. I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby. Say our time, we're making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss you touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So come console you, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it is worth? We ain't having it like take Okay, so the internet made this look easier than it actually was. You see, I had to resist the urge from adding more. So I am done. I don't think I want to add anything else to this bag. If I do, it'll be a bunch of charms. But here is the final product. Simple yet cute. Here's the back. Also simple. But yeah, I kind of stuck with the kind of girly theme here. Made sure I put my little pin, which was a little resistant. I definitely like the final results and the outcome. Again, the bag is from Fashion Nova's website. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed the content. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe below. Thanks. See you next time.